hard to keep it center. We will get used to this. It's new. Never done a hat this way. I remember the first time doing it in a flat hoop, and I was like, oh my goodness. This is just too much. Okay. Okay, we are up underneath there. There's our latch. Okay, I can't get it closed, so it is gonna have to be moved more, just so we can close it. Okay. Get our Allen wrench. We're gonna loosen that. I'm assuming I've got this right. Okay. It just moved. Oh. Okay, we got it fastened down. That's on there tight. Now let's tighten that Allen screw back.